Welcome everybody. Yannick is our director of design for manufacturing and assembly. And so manufacturing and assembly are two big pieces. Manufacturing is kind of that side you see on the left there, like in our manufacturing floor. And then assemblies are the components of the home, whether it's walls, floors, and ceilings, and then how that all comes together to form a finished home, which you'll eventually see. So Yannick has a background in mechanical engineering, so really well-skilled guy, knows his stuff inside and out. And what's also really cool is if you know the London Eye, the big Ferris wheel in London, England, he used to actually work for the team that built some of the parts for it, or even like the metal structure for it. So that's really cool. And he also worked for a company before that made sensitive parts. And what this means is he made machines for microchips, the machines that actually produce the microchips. So when it comes to manufacturing and knowing the details behind products and machines and how everything works together, we're talking to the right guy. So without further ado, I'm just going to let you take it away, Yannick, and I'll jump in when I need to.